Hi guys, I am Mannat and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this time I tried something different. It is basically an art, or you can say a newspaper painting. You can say newspaper painting. For making this you can either use newspaper or you can also use magazine. The magazine I used was having grey colored pages. The texts were small and it was totally giving a look like a newspaper. So yeah, I used that magazine. This is the craft which I made. This art form actually changed the entire look of my room personally, and I think that you should also give this a try. And if I'll try more techniques like this in future, I'll share it with you guys by doing a community post. Like, I'll put some pictures on community post एंड मैं कम्युनिटी पोस्ट करती रहूँगी, तो प्लीज़ आप उसमें वोट करते रहना. एंड सैटरडे को भी एक फ़न वीडियो आने वाला है, सो स्टे ट्यून फॉर दैट एंड क्लिक द नोटिफिकेशन बेल सो दैट यू कैन रिसीव नोटिफिकेशंस. एंड या, विदाउट वेस्टिंग मोर टाइम, लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो.